Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating the account and hardware. This prevents wasted steps. First, use My Jio or SMS to confirm the SIM is active and the plan isn't suspended. Once done, power off, eject, and reset the SIM so contacts align, then boot and try again. Next, toggle airplane mode for a quick network rescan and make sure network selection is automatic and set to Jio or LTE. These steps rule out simple registration or physical contact problems. Now you dive into settings to fix registration and service layer errors. Open APN and confirm name is Gionet with correct MCC/MNC for India. Mismatched values prevent data. Then, make sure preferred network type allows LTE and VO LTE. Switching to LTE only can stabilize connections in crowded areas. Also force a carrier settings update or clear the network cache to remove stale configs. These actions address software and provisioning mismatch. Finish by isolating device versus SIM problems. Insert your SIM into another phone and try a different Jio SIM in yours to see which component fails. If the SIM is at fault, request a replacement. If the phone is faulty, note IMEI and error behaviors. When contacting Jio support, provide ICSID, IMEI, and screenshots of errors so they can provision your line or push a reset. Troubleshooting tip. If coverage seems fine but registration fails, insist on a provisioning reset before accepting a new SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.